Good well, my dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn personal pronouns in Dinka language. 1. I. In Dinka mean an, 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 or in short, me. In Dinka mean yan or an, yan or an. You. In Dinka mean yin, yin, yin. In short, y. She, he, it. In Dinka mean yen, 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 yen. Echiban. It. In Dinka mean yen, yen, yen. We. In Dinka mean oak, oak, oak. In short, o. Us. In Dinka mean walk or oak, oak, oak. In Jamka oak, are you talking to us? You plural in Dinka mean wake, 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 wake. They in Dinka mean cake, 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 cake. So that's how we say it, cake. Them in Dinka also mean cake, cake, cake. In short, k. In jam cake. Are you talking to them? So now let us see some of the examples how to use them in this. These are the examples, so you have to look and use them carefully. I will come. I will come. I will come mean and beban. And beban. And beban. And beban mean I will come. Tell me. Tell me mean lek yen. Lek yen. Lek yen. Tell me. You want water? You want water? In Dinka mean in which pew? In which pew? In which pew? We get it before. Yin mean you. Which mean one. Pew. Pew mean water. Water mean pew. In Dinka language. Pew. In which pew do you want water? He is laughing. He is laughing. Mean yen adal. Yen adal. Yen adal mean she's laughing or he is laughing. Yen adal. Doll mean laughing in Dinka language. Tell him to go. Tell him to go. In Dinka, leg yen bijal. Leg yen bijal. Leg yen bijal. Tell him to go. Leg yen bijal. We are sleeping. We are sleeping. In Dinka, og anin. Og anin. Og anin. Og anin. Og anin. We are sleeping. Talk to us. Talk to us mean jame ke og. Jame ke og. Jame ke og. Jame ke og. Talk to us. Og mean us. You are lost. You are lost. You are lost. This is plural. In Dinka, wake achmar. Wake achmar. Wake achmar. Wake achmar. You are lost. That's plural. Wake mean you plural. Let us see singular here. You are lost. You are lost. You are lost in this case is singular. In Dinka, yin chimar, yin chimar, yin chimar, or yinachimar, yinachimar. So should be 1A. Yinachimar or yinchimar. You are lost. Mar. Mar mean lost. You are lost. Mar. They are waiting. They are waiting. In Dinka, cake at it. Cake at it. Cake at it. Cake mean they. Waiting mean tit. They are waiting. Cake at it. Teach them. Teach them. In Dinka, pyoj a cake. Pyoj a cake. Pyoj cake. Or pyoj k. Pyoj ik. This is a short form of cake. Pyoj ik or pyoj a cake. It's the same thing. Go to them. Go to them. Go to them. How do you translate this one? Please do it for me. Give me the answer. Go to them. You translate it for me. We get them before, so you have to put it there. Yenekan, The End by William Majak Malek Ding. Ran Pyoj Tongjang or Dinka language. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is Dinka English TV5. We translate all the thing into English so that it make it easier for you to learn or to catch up with us. So it's very important if you subscribe and like or share our video. Is helping us so that our page or our YouTube channel can be recognized. Okay, thank you very much for your subscription and for sharing our videos. Follow us in TikTok. TikTok is Learn Dinka with Majak. So go there and follow us. Share in our Facebook page. We have Facebook page which is written Dinka Whole Dialogue and Dinka Learning Class. You also go there and follow us so that we learn Dinka language together. This is the end. If you find this one useful, please do me a favor. You subscribe or you share our video. That's the only way you can help us. This is the end. Dorniali Kawek Kuyania. May God bless you all. Bye bye. By William Majak Malik Ding.